Hi everyone, so today we're going to interview Mikayla during her pregnancy. I'm going to ask her a few questions to see how it's going to hopefully help everyone and document her pregnancy. First question, how many weeks pregnant are you?
I'm 20 weeks and 4 days.
How did you feel when you found out you were pregnant?
I was really excited, of course, and it didn't seem real. It took a while for it to seem real, I think, until probably the first ultrasound.
Can you still exercise when you're pregnant currently?
I just started to a few weeks ago, just lightly walking and some light weights and like mat yoga workouts, but I didn't in the beginning because I was so sick.
When did morning sickness begin and what did it involve?
Mine started pretty early. I'd say at the end of 5 weeks I was starting to get sick, but it started to get worse and worse probably around like 8 or 9 weeks. And I would just wake up every day and have to throw up and couldn't eat normally. I had a lot of food aversions and I'd usually throw up another time during the day as well.
What weeks or trimesters currently are the worst for the pregnancy symptoms so far?
The first trimester, and mine went a little bit beyond the first trimester till about like 15 weeks, but I would say the worst weeks were probably 9 through 12.
Okay. What food aversions do you have or did you have?
I don't really have many anymore that I can think of, but I would say my main food aversions were chicken, salad, and vegetables, which is funny because before I was pregnant, that's what I ate mostly during the week, every day.
Nice. Is it true that smells and tastes are enhanced while you are pregnant?
I wouldn't say taste so much, but definitely smells, and that kind of settled down later on, but I would say early on they were more intense.
What are some of your favorite go-to foods right now?
Right now, I really like waffles and trying to think what else I like. Pizza. I don't
Taco
know.
time, possibly.
I'm starting to get more cravings. I didn't really ever have any cravings, so it's kind of different every day.
What excites you most about finding out the gender of our baby?
I think I'm just excited because I'm not going to be disappointed either way. I'm just going to be excited that it's healthy and happy. So I'm just excited to know, so it feels kind of more real what we're having.
Was there fatigue or tiredness you're feeling?
Yeah, for sure. I was really tired probably up until 15 weeks, and then I started getting my energy back. But it was just a lot of laying on the couch on my days off and resting and just not really doing anything.
Can you tell your body is changing and when?
Yeah, I'd say that in the beginning it took a while to notice my belly growing, and people just started noticing like this past week. But I could tell a difference because it's my own body. But if like a normal person looked at me, they probably wouldn't be able to tell up until this week.
What foods were you told to avoid, and are you avoiding any right now?
Just the typical like sushi, raw fish, deli meat. I'm kind of following all the guidelines, and if I do have deli meat, I'll warm it up first.
Are you taking any vitamins?
Yes, I am taking a prenatal vitamin, which was really hard for me to take the first trimester, but it's a little bit easier now, and vitamin C.
What should someone take if they're in pain and also can't sleep? Or what are you taking?
I don't take anything right now, but in the beginning, what really saved me was taking half of a Unisom, which is like a sleeping pill. And if you just cut it in half, it makes the morning sickness a lot better in the morning. But I never really had a problem sleeping.
What are some of the things that have helped or made life easier during pregnancy?
I'd say probably my husband. understanding that I'm in the beginning I was really tired and couldn't really do much, and he was really understanding, and I think he's happier now that I'm kind of more energetic and getting some of my personality back, because the first trimester I feel like I was just kind of didn't have a personality.
How often do you have checkups with doctors and ultrasounds?
I have a checkup with my doctor every month, usually like every 4 weeks, but I think towards the end it will be every week when you get closer to delivering.
Can you feel the baby moving at all right now at 20 weeks?
I can't feel anything yet, and my placenta is anterior, so that means that movements are more muffled, and it also takes a little bit longer to be able to feel the first movements.
What are you most looking forward to during pregnancy?
I look forward to every ultrasound and just especially finding out the gender. I've been looking forward to that for a long time.
Does your view toward life change when you know you're going to have a kid?
Yeah, I think it does. Just trying to be, more careful and cautious, and I want to have a healthy pregnancy, so I do everything that I can to make that happen.
What is something you look forward to do with the baby when it is born?
Probably just enjoy holding it and snuggling with it in the beginning, and it'll be cool to have another person in our house and bring a little bit more life and fun.
All right. Thank you, Mikayla, for your insights and your interview today and documenting this stage of our pregnancy. We'll likely take another look back at maybe the tail end, or to see if you guys, the audience, would like more videos like this. Thank you.
Thank you.